Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So we are dealing with the hyperbola. So two problems we will deal today. Okay. So these two problems are, two lines are given to you. We have to show that the condition for those two lines to be a tangent to the hyperbola, standard hyperbola. Okay. So come on, first we will take the first question. Right, show that the condition for the straight line y is equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the hyperbola s is equal to 0 is this one. So come on, first we will take that as the tangent to the hyperbola, right. So come on, suppose what is that, y is equal to mx plus c. Try to write in a line form. How we will write? We will write mx minus y plus c is equal to 0, right. So you consider that as equation number 1 is a tangent to hyperbola. What is that hyperbola? To hyperbola, standard hyperbola equation. Suppose hyperbola, parabola, ellipse, we have to take a standard form, right. So it is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay. So if the line is a tangent to the curve, means definitely the line touch the curve at one point, right. So let p x1 y1 be a point, right, on the hyperbola. Okay. So then equation of tangent at s is equal to 0 is s1 is equal to 0. Okay. So how we will write the s1? It is a notation, right. So what is the s1 equation? We can write that as x1 by a square minus y1 by b square. Bring that minus 1 this side. This is our equation 2. So what I said, this is the tangent to the hyperbola, okay, at the point P, and P x1 y1 is the point of contact. Again I have taken equation of the tangent at the point P x1 y1. That means both lines represent the same line, both are nothing but the equation of the tangents at the point P x1 y1. Okay. So 1 and 2 represent same line, right, represent same line equations. So already I said to you in mathematics, if two lines are same, how we have to equate? X coefficient of one line by x coefficient of another line is equal to y coefficient of one line by y coefficient of another line is equal to constant of one line by constant of another line. So come on, x coefficient, this is x, its coefficient means its multiple, that is x1 by a square by x coefficient of your first line, that is m, is equal to y coefficient. What is y coefficient? Minus y1 by b square by, what is the y coefficient of your first equation? Minus 1 is equal to, come on, next this one is minus 1, constant of this line is minus 1 and constant of this line is c. Okay. So come on, now we can write this as x1 by a square m is equal to minus minus cancel, y1 by b square is equal to minus 1 by c. So we want x1 and y1 values. Once you take these two and once you take these two, you will get your x1 and y1 values. How you will take? So x1 by a square m is equal to minus 1 by c and y1 by b square is equal to minus 1 by c. So what is your x1 then? x1 is equal to minus a square m by c, and what is your y1 is equal to minus b square by c. Okay, so this is your x1 and y1. So then the point p x1 y1 lies on which equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. It is a tangent, definitely point of contact lies on the tangent. What is point of contact? The line touch the curve, right, at that point. So point lies on the line as well as on the curve. Okay, so lies on which equation? It is nothing but y is equal to mx plus c. So is equal to, that is minus b square by c is equal to m into, come on, what is that? Minus a square m by c and plus c. Okay, so minus b square by c is equal to, this one is minus a square m into m square, LCM is c into c square by c, c cancel. So send that minus a square m square this side. What happens? Is equal to a square m square minus b square is equal to c square, which is the required condition, isn't it? Here we have to prove the condition for this line y is equal to mx plus c to the hyperbola s is equal to 0 is c square is equal to a square m square minus b square. Okay, so observe a square m square minus b square is equal to c square. Okay, so that is the condition for this line y is equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the standard hyperbola. What is that standard hyperbola? This is the standard hyperbola. Okay, so now come to the second question. So what is your second question? If the line Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is a tangent to the hyperbola, then show that. Okay, so same type we have to prove. First we will consider this as the tangent to this hyperbola. Next we will take one point of contact and we will find one tangent at that point of contact. Both represent same equations. Like that we have to solve. So come on, suppose what is the tangent equation? Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, you consider this as 1, is a tangent, right, to hyperbola s is equal to 0. So you take p x1 y1 is a point of contact, right, you take this as point of contact. So equation of tangent at p x1 y1 is s1 is equal to 0. So x1 and y1 is the point. At this point we have to find the equation of the tangent, right, to the curve hyperbola s is equal to 0 is s1 is equal to 0. So come on, s1 is equal to 0 to the hyperbola. What is our hyperbola equation? Point of contact to hyperbola, what is that? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. For that s1 we have to find, that is x1 by a square minus y1 by b square is equal to 1, or we can write that as minus 1 is equal to 0. You consider this as your second equation. So same thing, 1 and 2 represents same line equations. 1 and 2 represents same line, right. So what I said in maths, whenever two lines are same, x coefficient of first line by x coefficient of second line is equal to y coefficient of first line by y coefficient of second line is equal to constant of first line by constant of second line. First or second any lines we can take. So come on, here x coefficient is x1 by a square by, right, and for this line x coefficient is L is equal to, next come on, it is minus y1 by b square by, here y coefficient is m, right, is equal to constant is minus 1 by, here constant is n. Okay, so like that we have to equate. So then it will be x1 by a square L is equal to minus y1 by b square m is equal to minus 1 by n. So we have to get x1 and y1 value. So once you equate these two, once you equate these two, you will get your x1 y1 values. So come on, x1 by a square L is equal to minus 1 by n. So x1 is equal to minus a square L by n. Okay, next minus y1 by b square m, right, is equal to minus 1 by n. y1 is equal to, we can write minus minus cancel, b square m by n. Okay, this point P x1 y1 lies on which tangent? Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Definitely it lies on that line equation. So L into minus a square L by n plus m into b square m by n plus n is equal to 0. So come on, taking the LCM as n, right, here it is minus a square L into L, L square, b square m into m square plus here n into n square is equal to 0. Okay, so sending n that side, minus a square L square b square m square plus n square is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to prove what is that condition, n square is equal to this one, keep n square this side, send the two terms that side. So come on, it is n square is equal to a square L square minus b square m square is the required condition. That is what we have to prove. So what is the procedure? First we consider this is a tangent to the hyperbola. Tangent means the line which touch the curve at one point. So that is called the point of contact. So you take P x1 y1 is the point of contact. So now you take equation of the tangent at that point is S1 is equal to 0. So this is your S is equal to 0. For this we have to write S1, it is a notation. So x1 by a square minus y1 by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a tangent at the point P x1 y1 and we have taken P x1 y1 is the point of contact of this line with the hyperbola. That means both are nothing but the tangents to the hyperbola at the point P x1 y1. So both represents the same line. If two lines represents the same line, we have to take x coefficient of one line by x coefficient of another line is equal to y coefficient of one line by y coefficient of another line is equal to constant by constant. Try to get your x1 y1 value, and this point P x1 y1, right, lies on the line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. Substitute, you will get your answer. Okay, so practice these two problems perfectly. Both are for 4 marks, right. Very repeated, very important and most repeated 4 marks questions from hyperbola. Okay, so practice these problems perfectly. That's all for today. Have a nice day.